Hello guys, myself Asif Iqbal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically, I make videos on option selling or buying, or basically I pressurize on hedging the position while creating any position in Bank Nifty or index or even in stock options. So I basically advise everyone not to go naked in options buying or even in option selling because both are dangerous. Okay, people just think that option naked option selling is just a dangerous, but no, this is not the case. Even if you buy options without any proper strategies or without any proper hedging, then obviously whatever the premiums that we have paid, that might be in loss, right? So it's not like option buying is not risky and option selling is only risky. uh, we have to focus on strategies or the option behaviors on its mathematical condition, which actually drives, like, whenever you are creating a position, right? So you should be having complete knowledge on option position deploying, right? In which extreme cases what would be the maximum loss, right, and what would be the maximum profit, and how could you manage your position even if your position is going into losses, right? So there could be there are various reasons and there are various ways in which you can make your positions at least you can make it at least in zero loss, or even if you have that much skills and capital, right? You can also make your position, make your loss position in profit. So that depends on your skill and your knowledge and your you know uh, the idea that you option that you're deploying, and you should be definitely focusing on the position before deploying the positions, or just jumping on any positions just to buy and sell. This does not work, guys. Okay, so if you really want to make your career of you, or if you really want to earn something, uh, that people are doing, and so definitely you will have to put a lot of efforts. So I would be definitely sharing various videos on different option strategies, and even I would be explaining the logics behind the options that I basically deploy on, and you will get some ideas like what exactly should you do and when exactly you should make a position. It's not like normally what people do is they simply come, they log into the system and they just start buying options or selling options from the very beginning in the morning. Okay, so it's not like that. You have to make positions on every on daily basis. Okay, you can make it on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis. There are various strategies, guys. Okay, there are some common strategies are like iron fly, iron condor, etc., right? So it's not like you just have to buy or sell an option, whether be it of index or stocks. Okay, so you will have to first first of all you will have to make yourself comfortable, and you will have to see what will be the maximum risk. Okay, what will be the maximum pain if you create any position, right? Whether be it buying or selling. So even in buying, guys, what I would suggest is never go naked option buying. Okay, because the reason is, if you just buy an option, right, so there is a high probability of losing that premium, whatever we have paid, right? So that is the reason most of the buyers are in loss, right? So even if you think that okay, market might go in your direction as per your analysis, or maybe the chart excuse me, or maybe the chart that you have used for making your positions, maybe it would be a call or put. So depending on your positions, okay, never go naked, guys. So that is what I would advise first, and try to hedge your positions under any circumstances, even if the market reverses from the position you created, right, and it just goes against your position. So you should be having at least some defined risk or some defined loss, right? And even if you have that skill and if you have knowledge and options, you can also manage that, and you can make it very minor loss. So those are the things that I would be probably teaching on my channels, basically. Okay, so you can learn about the option behavior, what exactly should you do, and I mean, is there any even a possibility to earn from market by selling or buying options? Yes, guys, definitely there are many ways to earn by buying or selling options. But definitely you will have to have some logic, some risk defined, and some management. You should be having the knowledge on adjusting your position. So there could be various strategies and weapons that you can manage your position, guys. Okay, so it's not that much simple. You will have to learn, and you will have to make yourself that much adaptive to acquire knowledge and options and all. So anyway, so today, not today actually, I had created one of the bank nifty positions that is basically a debit strategies wherein I have bought some call and put both side. Okay, that again depends on you, right? Like maybe some people might have questions why you have bought both call and put. Okay, so that is what I initially said, right? You should be having knowledge on option behavior, and it's what are the factors which drives these options pricing and all. So I have okay. So let's talk about my option position. What I had deployed yesterday in the morning, not in the morning. Basically, it was afternoon. So I had bought some options. Uh, okay, and even I have sold some options, as I said in the beginning, right? That I mean, one should not go naked in buying option or selling options. So definitely, I would have. I mean, I have hedged my positions by selling some of the options, but what option should I hedge with, right? And what is the logical parameters which is I mean and what is the highest probability of winning my chance, right, or winning my position to make it in profit, right? So I have thought a lot on this, and I have created one of the positions. So even in buying, guys, if I just show you the graph, I mean, I would just navigate to the Opstra, okay, and I will show you my position. Okay, the same position I am having in my brokers also. So if you just look at the options graph, right, you would see such a huge graph. I mean, the range would be such a huge that you will simply get amazed. I mean, how can someone get, both side by, I mean, buying the options? You are still having the probability of it above 80%, and even, market can fall or rise for any point, right? I would be definitely in profit. In fact, I'm in profit, that to around, 2.5 to 3%. And one more important, guys, we should never go, like nobody can become crorepati, right? Just by buying options overnight, right? Because that is the basic thinking. Okay, most of the people have, and that's the reason they lose money. Okay, so okay, guys, without wasting time, uh, let me show you my position. So as you can see, right, I am in almost 2.5% of profit. Okay, and you can just imagine, guys. Okay, means currently the market is at around 39,500. Still I have downside of like 37,800, means around 1,800 points, guys. Okay, means even if market falls 1,800 points, I would still be making profit. Okay, so I have hedged my position, hedged my bought position in such a way that even if market falls, it will keep me profit. But if even if market rises, right, so you can see the range. If I start from here, right, 39,500, and if it goes like in this direction, right, so I mean I would be only I would be in loss only in 40 around 43,000, guys. So there is, I mean, you can see the probability of percentage, right? It is 81%. So it's not that easy for market to put me in loss. So because anyway I have bought the main position, right, and I have sold some of the weaker position. Okay, so that's the reason it is giving me such a benefit. Even if market moves in either directions, I would be in good profit. Even if it doesn't move anywhere, as you can see, even if it doesn't move anywhere, I would still be making money, right, around 1,300 per lot, 1,400 per lot, which is approximately 3% of my deployed capital, right, for one lot. So guys, this is what I wanted to convey, that never go naked option buying or selling. You should be always in hedge position. So thank you, guys.